Imagine waking up tomorrow and everything you've built comes crashing down. Your job? Gone. Bills piling up. Rent due. And your bank account? Empty. Let's be real. Most people are just one emergency away from being completely broke. And yet, 67% of people don't even have $500 saved for an emergency. Scary, right? But what if I told you that in just 6 months you could build an emergency fund that gives you absolute financial peace of mind without making 6 figures, without winning the lottery, and without eating instant noodles every night? You're about to discover the exact step-by-step method to build your emergency fund in 6 months. The method that banks don't want you to know. And trust me, you'll wish you started sooner. The harsh reality? Let's talk about the truth that most financial gurus won't tell you. The system is designed to keep you broke. The banks? They want you to live paycheck to paycheck. And credit card companies? They make billions off of your financial struggles. When an emergency hits, boom! Your credit card interest skyrockets. You get buried in loans and suddenly, you're working just to survive, not to live. Sound familiar? But here's the part that really hurts. Most people think they'll figure it out later. But later never comes. Then, when disaster strikes, they're forced to beg for loans, sell their valuables, or worse, rely on people who don't actually care. Meet Sarah, a single mom working 2 jobs just to keep the lights on. She never thought she needed an emergency fund. I'll figure it out, she told herself. Until one day, her car broke down on the way to work. A $1,200 repair bill she couldn't afford. Her boss didn't care. She lost her job that week. No savings, no backup plan, just fear. She took out a payday loan just to get by, but within weeks, the debt doubled. Sarah fell into a cycle millions of people are trapped in. Sound familiar? Build your emergency fund. Enough! It's time to take control. Here's how to build an emergency fund in just 6 months, no matter your income. First, decide your goal. Your emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months of basic living expenses. That means rent, food, bills. Only the essentials. If your monthly expenses are $2,000, your target should be at least $6,000. Step 2. Automate your savings in separate. Treat your emergency fund like a bill. Automate it. Open a separate savings account and set up an auto transfer every payday. Out of sight, out of mind. Before you know it, you'll have a solid emergency fund. Even if it's just $50, no exceptions. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill. Start with a small amount if necessary, and gradually increase it as you get more comfortable. Consistency is key. Step 3. Cut the hidden money leaks. Most people bleed money without realizing it. Let's fix that. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Yes, even that gym membership you promised to use. Cut impulse spending. No, you don't need a $7 latte every morning. Negotiate bills. Call your internet provider. You'd be shocked how much they'll lower your bill if you ask. These small cuts, they add up fast. Step 4. Increase your income. Fast. If you want to speed this up, here's the game changer. Find a side hustle. And no, I don't mean surveys that pay $2. I mean real money-making skills. Do 1 extra gig a week. Just $100 extra per week turns into $2,400 in 6 months. Combine that with your savings plan and boom, emergency fund secured. Step 5. Stay consistent. Building an emergency fund takes time and discipline, but trust me, it's worth it. Imagine the peace of mind you'll feel knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. Celebrate small milestones along the way to keep yourself motivated. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. Here's the truth. In 6 months, you're going to be in one of 2 places. Either you'll still be stressing over money, wondering why you're stuck, or you'll have a safety net, financial confidence, and zero fear of the unexpected. You decide. Will you keep making excuses or will you take action today? Set a goal, track your spending, cut the fat, boost your income, automate your savings, and stay consistent. In just 6 months, you could have an emergency fund that could save you from financial disaster. Your future isn't written by luck. It's built by the choices you make today. Every dollar you save is a brick in the fortress that will protect you from life's storms. The clock is ticking. Will you let fear hold you back, or will you rise up and claim the financial security you deserve? Start now. Not tomorrow, not when things calm down. Now. Because 6 months from today, you could be staring at a bank account that gives you freedom, not fear. Or you could be stuck in the same cycle, wondering, what if? The power to change your story starts with one bold step. Take it. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. Every dollar you save is a step closer to financial security. So, take that first step today. Your future self is begging you. You've got 6 months. Start now. If this video woke you up, drop a comment. I'm building my fund. Let's start a movement. And if you want more life-changing financial strategies, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because financial freedom, it starts now. See you in the next video.